5 biggest mistakes new real estate investors make and how to avoid them. Hey everyone, welcome to the very first video of Money Wealth Life. Today, we're diving into something every new real estate investor needs to know before taking the plunge. Real estate is a fantastic way to build long-term wealth, but only if you avoid some of the most common mistakes that can trip up beginners. In this video, we'll walk you through the 5 biggest mistakes new real estate investors make, and of course, how you can avoid them to stay ahead of the game. Mistake 1. Lack of research. The first mistake is diving into a property deal without enough research. Many first-time investors get excited by a property's potential, but don't look into critical details like market trends, neighborhood growth, or future developments in the area. Thorough market research is key to making smarter investment choices. Don't rush in. Take your time, study the market, and make data-driven decisions for long-term success. Mistake 2. Underestimating costs. Next up, underestimating costs. Too many beginners think only about the purchase price and ignore other crucial expenses, like closing costs, repairs, maintenance, and unexpected surprises along the way. This can be a dangerous oversight, leading to financial stress. The solution? Always overestimate and set aside at least 10 to 20% of your budget for unexpected costs so you're never caught off guard. Mistake 3. Going solo. Mistake number 3 is trying to do everything yourself. Real estate investing is not a solo mission. It's a team effort. From real estate agents and contractors to property managers and lenders, you need a solid team to succeed. Don't try to cut corners by going solo. Building a team of experts can save you time, money, and headaches. Mistake 4. No clear exit strategy. Another huge mistake, not having a clear exit strategy. Many new investors jump into deals without thinking about how or when they plan to exit, whether it's flipping a house or holding a rental property. Always have a plan for how you'll exit, even before you invest. This will help guide your decisions and protect your profits in the long run. Mistake 5. Letting emotions drive your decisions. And finally, mistake number 5. Letting emotions control your decisions. It's easy to get attached to a property and lose sight of the numbers, but successful real estate investing is all about logic and strategy. Don't let emotions cloud your judgment. Stick to your budget and rely on data to guide your choices. Treat real estate like the business it is. Thanks for tuning in to Money Wealth Life. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a future video. What mistakes are you going to avoid on your real estate journey? Drop a comment below and let us know. And remember, at Money Wealth Life, we're all about helping you build smart wealth through real estate and beyond. Stay tuned for more insights, and we'll see you in the next video.